everyone, if you are suffering from back pain, lower back pain, especially here in L4, L5 or in your middle back, so I will tell you 5 best yoga poses, and these yoga poses are so much powerful that some of the people get instant relief as well. And most of the people get relief if they practice these yoga poses every day. Namaste everyone. So let's start the video. The poses, Anuvaji will show you the poses and I will explain you how these yoga poses works for your back pain. Okay. So for some time, whenever you are starting any yoga poses, do some warm up. So you can do just like this, slowly. Do like this for a minute or two. Okay. So this is just for the beginning. Now, we will tell you the best yoga poses. We have posted these poses on our Hindi channel. The name of our Hindi channel is Virendra Strength Yoga, and people have got amazing results. You will also get very good results if you follow the poses as we are telling you. So this is the sequence wise. You do not have to change the sequence. Okay. Now, lie down at your abdomen. So the first pose, what we will tell you for back pain relief is cobra pose. So if you're doing cobra pose, what you need to do, just about 1 foot distance between your both legs, shoulder width apart, and both hands, both side of your shoulders. Now your elbow should not go out like this. Elbow should be parallel to your body. Now slowly inhaling, lift your body up and come up. So now understand this pose very carefully. Whenever you are coming up, and if you feeling any kind of pain in your lumbar region, lower back, L4 or L5 region, slightly go down and hold there. So you just have to touch the pain and hold here for 30 seconds at least. You have to hold here for 30 seconds. So this is the first yoga pose. We call it cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Hold it for 30 seconds, and the reverse pose is go down, take your both hands under your chin and leg up down one by one. Do it for 10 seconds. Okay. So whenever you are doing any yoga pose, it is must to do the counter pose as well, so that you get positive results, not negative. Okay. Now, so this was the first yoga pose with the reverse pose. You have to repeat this pose at least 3 times. Now the second pose, what I will tell you, is going to be the rabbit pose. How to do the rabbit pose? Anuvaji, come up. Sit back in Vajrasana. Okay. Now what you have to do, I'll show you from here as well. So we are sitting like this. Now open your knees. And now slowly take your both hands forward, keeping your spine straight. Okay. Go down. Open your legs. Slowly both hands forward, keeping your spine straight, and you have to try to touch your chest to the ground. Okay. Now make sure that your hips are touching to your heels and your spine is straight. If you cannot go as deep as she is going, don't worry. Do as per your capacity. You have to hold here for 30 seconds as well. So this was the asana number 2. So the first asana was cobra pose, and the second one is rabbit pose. Now number 3, slowly come up, stretch your both legs forward and lie down at your back. Okay. So these yoga poses are very systematic. First we have done some back bending, then we have relaxed our spine, and now we have to do some pressing exercise for lower back pain. In your lumbar region, sometimes what happens is that sometimes your disc comes out and that give you discomfort, that start pressing your knob and that gives you pain. So these poses will help you in knob compression as well. Okay. So now the next pose will be Ardha Pavan Mukta Asana. How to do it? Lift your right leg up, hug your knee, press it. Now in this pose you have to be very careful, because we are doing the yoga poses for a lower back. So make sure that your lower back is touching to the ground. Okay. If you have any discomfort in your neck, so you can keep your neck down and keep pressing it down. Press it as much as you can. Hold here for 30 seconds at least. Start with 20 seconds and try to hold it for 30 seconds. Then release. Now change. We have to do The same thing with another leg as well. Press it. Your lower back is touching to the ground. Do not lift your lower back up. Press your lower back. Feel the pressure on your lower back. Hold there for 30 seconds at least. So this was asana number 3. You have to hold this pose also 30 seconds and repeat this 3 times with both the legs. Now relax. Now the next pose what we are coming forward is Markatasana. How to do it? Open your both hands, bend your legs. Okay. Now take your right ankle on your left thigh and hold your right knee through your left hand. Face left side and twist your body to your left side. Twist your spine. Face right side and twist your body to your left side. Stay there for 30 seconds at least, everyone. So this pose is very effective if you have back pain, even if you have diabetes, even if you have digestion issues. So this pose is amazing. It has many health benefits. And some of you who have muscular pain, if they do this yoga pose only, they can get instant relief. Many people get instant relief after following just this yoga pose. Inhale up. You have to do it for 30 seconds and then you have to repeat this pose with another leg as well. So this time left leg up, hold it through your right hand and take it down to your right side and face to opposite direction like this. Hold there for some time, deep inhale and exhale, focus on your breath. Take your complete awareness to the place where you have pain. So take your complete awareness to your lower back, deep inhale and exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Okay. Hold there for 30 seconds and repeat this pose 3 times with both the legs. So with right leg 30 seconds, left leg 30 seconds. When again right 30, left 30. So repeat this 3 times. If you want to get the results, then follow the same process how we are telling you. Okay. Some of the people says that we have practiced many poses but we do not get back pain relief. Trust me, follow these yoga poses as we are telling you, you get the results. Now come back. Now last asana number 5 is going to be Pavan Mukta Asana. How to do Pavan Mukta Asana? Just bend your knees and hug it. And now here, what is important in this pose, that your lower back here, it is touching to the ground. Now make a small circle, a small round, up down like this. Yes. Roll your spine slowly, slowly. Make sure that you're not getting any kind of jerk in your spine. Slowly, slowly like this. And now come up. So these are 5 yoga poses. Do this Pavan Mukta Asana for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now add these 5 yoga poses in your daily routine. If you have back pain because of your lifestyle or because of long time sitting or any other issues, you get results. These are amazing yoga poses. So please do not forget to share this video with your friends and family members who work in office for long sitting hours. This video is very helpful for those people as well. If you have stiffness in your back, these poses will help you. And even if you do not have pain in your back, if you practice these yoga poses will help you keep your back healthy. So do not forget to subscribe our channel, and if you want us to make any video on any topic, just make a comment below so that we can read those comments and we can make videos for you. So this is it for today. We'll see you in next video. Till then, thank you. Namaste.